Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 10 yoga poses that will help your depression and anxiety. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Research has shown that up to 80 to 90% of people who see a doctor have stress, but only less than 3% of doctors talk to their patients about how to reduce stress. Yoga is one of the ways and exercises to reduce stress. Yoga, meditation, and other mental exercises train your body and mind to deal with stress and improve general health and well-being. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 yoga poses that reduce your stress levels, so stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. What is yoga? Yoga is a special physical, spiritual exercise, which are useful for peace of mind and relieving stress and relaxation, and help the body to be flexible. In fact, yoga is a sport that combines mental, spiritual, and physical dimensions, and while performing movements to reduce anxiety, as the soul relaxes, the body's organs engage in stretching movements, which strengthens the muscles. In addition to reducing stress, which includes controlling breathing, yoga exercises are used to increase concentration. In fact, yoga is based on mindfulness, peace of mind, and balance of mind and body. Number 10. Child pose, Balasana. One of the benefits of doing this movement is relieving cramps and fatigue in the shoulders, back, and neck. This exercise will help you, when you bend your body inwards, draw in your energy and help you receive energy. To do this, lie on the floor and place your pelvis on your heel. Then spread your knees apart and bring your upper body down to reach the ground. Stay in this position for a few minutes. Number 9. Thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana. Thunderbolt pose is a good move for deep breathing and meditation, which strengthens the muscles of the upper body and back, and stretches the knees and thighs. In this exercise, you sit on your knees and put your hips on your heels. Then keep your head, neck, and spine straight and stick your knees and thighs together. Then place the palms of your hands on your knees and bring your shoulders back. Stay in this position for 1 to 2 minutes and then change position. Number 8. Seated single leg pose. Doing this movement correctly will make you feel the stretch behind your thighs and spine. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps and upper body muscles and helps strengthen your nervous system. First, sit on the floor and straighten your back. Then stretch your legs in front of each other and place the soles of your feet perpendicular to the ground. As you breathe in, raise your arms as you inhale and lower them as you exhale. Exhale your fingertips in contact with your toes. Number 7. Easy yoga pose, Sukhasana. One of the easiest yoga poses is to do a simple sitting posture, which has many benefits. This position helps to stretch the knees, ankles, upper body and helps to calm the mind and reduce tension. Lay a mat on the floor and sit on all fours, so that your legs are triangular and your waist is completely straight. Then place your hands on your knees and hold for 1 to 5 minutes. Number 6. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Doing the movement of the legs leaning against the wall or Viparita Karani reduces your heart rate and relieves tension. To do this exercise, first, place your mat in front of the wall. Then bring your hips as close to the wall as you can. Then lean your feet against the wall. Relax your arms and place your hands on your abdomen. Close your eyes and clear your mind by focusing on breathing. Try to take deep breaths. Number 5. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Doing this is great for relieving headaches. Sit on the floor and spread your legs. Keep your back straight. Then pull your arms forward with a straight spine. Pull yourself forward so that you do not feel back pain. Here you can keep your back straight and stretch or bend your hamstrings and your back will be more stretched. Whichever is best for you, do it. Stay in this position for a few minutes and then slowly return to the first position. Number 4. Standing forward bend, Uttanasana. This exercise is one of the easiest yoga poses, which you can do anywhere, which is very useful for reducing stress and increasing energy, and helps to lose weight. Stand up straight and spread your legs hip width apart. Keep your spine straight and your hands above your head. Then bend at the hips and go to the toes. Release yourself like a hanging doll. You can hold your elbows with the opposite hand. You feel the weight drop on the upper torso. Exactly the places that tolerate the most stress. Take a deep breath with your eyes closed and think of nothing. Number 3. Cat-cow movement, Marjaryasana. First, stand on all fours. Place your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Then keep your back straight. Bend your shoulders together and raise your head to become a cow. Focus on the upward and downward movements of your waist. Do the exercise slowly and feel the movement of your vertebrae. This yoga movement is one of the best exercises to relieve stress and reduce anxiety. Try to close your eyes while doing it, to focus better. Number 2. Bridge pose. Bridge movement is used to relieve back pain, headaches and reduce fatigue and stress. With this movement, you pull your waist and the tension on your legs and serine muscles disappears. Lie on the floor first. Then place the soles of your feet on the floor, but lift the rest of your body off the floor, so that it is only shoulder and head on the ground. And be on a continuous line from the head to the knees. Number 1. Dolphin position. This downward position has a great effect on relieving stress. Get into cat mode first. Place the soles of your feet on the ground perpendicular to the ground. The palms of the hands are completely perpendicular to the ground up to the elbows. Then slowly move the rest of the body away from the ground as much as possible and then remove the buttocks from the ground. The angle between your arms and legs is 45 degrees. Stay in this position for a few minutes. Then change your position. With the help of this exercise, you can eliminate your stress. Considering the all-encompassing effects of yoga on the health of the body and the peace of the soul, it can be said that it is a movement that spiritually contributes to man's peace with his inner forces and affects the quality of human life by relieving stress on the mind and body. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.